I bet this big boy will be on the traffic report today.
If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, then you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
Food? Oh my god, okay. There you go. Hello.
Fact, puppies can sleep up to 18 to 20 hours a day.
If you do not do what you are told to do, when you're told to do it, you will be punished. Do you understand? Aye, sir. If you leave my base without proper authorization, I will...
2 weeks for him to decide you aren't a scarecrow in disguise.
You are my best friend. We will go for walkies, and we will go on a picnic, and we will have so much fun forever and ever.
Caught stealing, and the thief is staying under the radar.
Literalmente incorporou.
Looks like this boy has found his passion for farming.
Ontem, 10 horas da noite, estava tomando banho.
Corre, 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 corre. Muy bien la pelota. Corre la pelota, cógela. ¿Quiere la pelota, Maui? Corre, ¿dónde está la pelota? ¿Dónde está la pelota?
Get him! Go away, get the water! Dude, get him! Get him! Yeah, boy. That boy, dude. Hey, that boy. I got it.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amber and Enrique. Happy birthday.
Hi, did you miss me? Hi, lovey. Hi. Hi. What'd you do today? What'd you do today?
A dog's world is simple until a dinosaur casually strolls into the park. Instinct says run, curiosity says sniff, decisions.
I can't see you. I can see you.
Forget a watch. This man has a Magpie X now.
I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the beat like whoa. Mustard on the beat, bro, beam, back, boom, back, beam,
The elephant acted like security removing unauthorized recording equipment. He clearly believes in privacy rights.
That's some impressive leash control. Future dog trainer right there.
Bro brought the puppy home and immediately forgot to explain the next step. Trust slowly wins over fear.
No, Izzy, she's friendly.
Oh my gosh.
Friendly and she doesn't listen to me.
I'm sorry.
Perfect combination.
She looks like she's hugging me.
Yes, she does. She hugs you.
Oh my gosh. Day by day.
Wait, what are you doing? Chewy, what are you doing? Oh my god, Chewy, what are you?
The parrots, while I already lost track of the ball at second 3.
Joey! Where are you? He thinks I can't see him.
Oh, it's right there. Oh. Why does he keep coming after me? That's a picture right there. Oh my god.
Lay down. Let me see your paws. Dry.
Sea lions often investigate moving objects. They choose that guy as their temporary tour guide.
If you survived this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more. See you soon.
But these animals had other plans.
If you want me to hold it, I can cuddle.
Pinocchio. Occhio. Lo sapevo che lo trovavi.
The crow is the referee who decided to pick a side.
The best part of coming home's this greeting. My heart just melts.
Look at those tiny engines go. He's 90% an outboard motor.
Girl, you did it!
Doctor's prescription, 3 kisses and unlimited cuddles. Love is the softest bandage.
What a great example of coastal community policing. See you later, turtle.
Billy. Do you mind?
This one will do everything to show the high commitment gossip.
Thanks for watching.
Show your chompers. Just chompers. Ding, ding, ding. Happy birthday! Oh, you cunt. God damn you, Willow.
At this point, she should just ask her boss for a work from home day.
Yeah, Hanky's trying. You're stuck.
That is Muzinga. Sabi nga, Diyos ko makimanga, Muzinga is kumsaba. Aha.
Looks like the department just hired a new water pump intern. He's brave.
Go get it! Now watch for her to bring it back. Come here! Drop it. Good girl. Ready? Go get it!
Rent prices are getting so crazy recently, huh? No need for any fancy ice rink or skating shoes. He's scored a 10.
Curiosity is how animal friendships begin. They're introducing themselves without saying a single word.
My name is Pablo, Juan Carlos, Alejandro, González, María Lucia, Mendoza, Macarena, Chipotle, Tapatio, con queso, guacamole, Ferreira, Santiago, Rodriguez, but everybody calls me Bobby.
If my paw touches the cardboard, the crust belongs to me.
Eloise, you little hoe bag, you get back. Eloise, you have a good life here. Where are you going? Eloise? Eloise, your daddy left you?
That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
30%, 50%, 100%. Energy's fully charged. Let the battle begin.
Who's...
Oh, there she went. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Is she okay?
Wait. Very good. Good, very good. Lou, wasn't that good?
What are you doing? You just took a bath!
No! Hey! It's my lettuce. I'm actually gonna wear my pants. No! No!
The diver came for footage and got interviewed by a wrasse instead. Empathy is not a uniquely human trait. The dog saw fear in the deer and answered it with kindness.
Wait until you see his castle. Gonna blow your mind. Do you know that chipmunks have excellent fine motor skills in their front paws?
Not the reindeer acting like an oversized puppy. Somewhere, Santa's missing his most affectionate employee.
Well, maybe he needed it. You know, like, maybe it helped.
The party is still going, but his soul already went to bed.
He's like, I can act so crazy self now.
Maybe. I mean.
Hey, we're gonna show Tudor's party trick. When I give him a kiss on this cheek, this ear's gonna come out. Let's see if he'll do the other one. My bulldog.
Denied. That dog's playing hard to get.
This dog is living a higher tier luxury lifestyle than I am.
Good boy, Boogies. Get it. Yeah. Look at you, Boogies. Way to go, Bubba's.
Oh, gosh.
They didn't just kill the song, they devoured the microphone. That's dedication.
Oh my god!
Give that buffalo a cape. He's the superhero of the animal kingdom.
Nobody expected it, but this dog didn't just go outside, he came back with new friends.
Devi fare la cacca di
What are you doing, dude? Huh?
Hey. Ay, come on.
Sei nervoso? Ehi! Urso!
Legend has it, they still have 4 hours left to get home.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome.
Ya va. Espera. Ya vamos. Vamos. Ya.
Geliyor benimki. Günaydın. Ha bu kızıma.
I found this poor penguin chick being attacked by a pair of larger penguins. It quickly came over to me for protection. I guess this makes me a penguin dad now.
Camera captured more than animals. It captured pure curiosity and trust. Thanks.
Clearly, this dog is living in 3026. Folks, I believe this is the best rear view projection ever.
Oh, that's kind of strange.
It is kind of strange. It's like making everybody stop.
Are you actually gonna go to Wairika?
Huh?
You have to go to Wairika?
No, not today.
Oh, you don't have to?
No, not today.
When just a taste is not enough.
It's so tiny.
This bear doesn't follow the law, but he follows manners. Most polite criminal ever recorded.
Stoats are active year-round and don't hibernate, even during cold winters.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I have to go. Please get up. What are we gonna do about your moose friend?
Dolly. And Fred.
Huh?
Dolly.
To a child, water tastes good only if he has to fight to drink it.
They left you out.
Sometimes we all make things harder than they need to be.
The focus, the dedication, extreme hydration mission is underway. Welcome to where fur meets funny. Get ready for the most chaotic puppies, guaranteed to make you die laughing. Underwater tour guide, and here we have some vintage human artifacts.
He'd be a subscriber magnum with his hilarious reactions if he did a reaction series.
Hello, Manny.
I'm grabbed by the face here.
Oh, how are you gonna climb up?
The opossum is wondering what kind of luxury Uber service he just stumbled into.
Raised by a man, this dog thinks he's a pro boxer.
What is wrong? Don't be mad. Be glad. Partly. Whatever is the matter with you?
take it. That hurts. Fine. No. Stop.
Big Brother energy. Noticed, cared, and fixed it without being asked.
Dá aqui meu tênis. Dá aqui. Dá aqui. Mais. Vou te pegar. É. Dá meu tênis.
A peaceful nap, a comfy couch, and not a single worry in the world.
Oh, there you go. Well, I think you just proved a bunch of people wrong trying to say I put you up there. You did it yourself.
What's going on, Pepsi? Jax.
Golden Retriever's official job title, fetcher, cuddler, and now full-time cat dad.
Oh my goodness. Jax, what are you doing?
Best Christmas ever starts November 30th on AMC.
Christmas AMC.
Blooper.
A little help from a highly qualified professional.
When a man and his dog get together, hilarity ensues. Check it out.
C'est vraiment cool. Alors lui.
Here from 279. I have a leash and more stick if you think that would work better. Yeah, I'm going around in my car before I got trapped and blocked. I almost got.
Absolute peak potato energy right there.
Pick that up.
Nature's Fair exchange programs. Bison offers bird Airbnb, and birds offer parasite cleaning services.
Martin. Bring.
Out of the loop, not in this dog's vocabulary.
It's a talkative. I'm just gonna send this story. It's a Paul. Oh.
Hey, I appreciate every single one of you guys for being out here today. What we're going to talk about in this HR meeting is our goals and our company values.
Would you mind coming lie down in our shade?
Evie, did you invite a friend over? There's a capybara at my door again. It's like very first thing in the morning, too. Oh, you really want to come in, huh? You can come in, it's okay.
Lunch. There's a nice chew.
Oh, yeah, that looks
no,
good.
not you, Lola. What are you going to do? Chew or olive ciabatta?
Come on.
And if I die, be sure to take George out.
Are you friendly? Oh! Oh! Am I getting... What sort of mafia action is this?
Watching those massive feet hover in the air just to protect his tiny neighbors is everything.
Así, bájate por favor, Totopo. Totopo, me pone de nervios. Bájate por favor. Ay, Totopo, ten tantita madre, por favor. Tantita era así, poquita. Ay, no, no es eso. ¡Ojo! ¡Ojo! ¡Ah! ¡Ah! ¡Ah!
Pivete, você não vai conseguir sair daí! Não, gente.
Not got her. Not got her.
That's fucking mental.
The puppy didn't find a lap. He found a whole cow.
He literally installed a touchless faucet in his backyard.
Dude, have you been stealing Dad's socks, dude? Dude, have you been stealing Dad's socks? Oh my God.
You okay, Frankie?
Okay.
Oh.
This machine just learned a very important lesson. Don't mess with a dog.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting, yeah?
Not sleeping, don't pretend to sleep. You're trying to get under the deck. That thing is literally in your eye. I cannot afford to have your eye. Anthony. Thank you. Okay. Okay.
Roll the window down.
He's telling us to roll it down.
Roll it. Look, he's like, oh my God. Here, baby.
Dangerous stunt performed by experts. For your safety, do not attempt to recreate this.
Allez! Fire!
This is what peak I trust you looks like in dog form.
I bet the dog ancestors will leave the chat box after seeing this.
Don't get mad at me.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we're looking at the most chaotic and hilarious encounters between animals and the police.
Dog logic. If I sit here long enough, they'll know this spot belongs to my mum. That's how parking works, right?
Okay, so if there's 2 squirrels per tree, there might be more. And there's 50,000 trees. 50,000 times 2 is 100,000 squirrels, and I've peed on 10 trees, so 10 times 2, 20 squirrels.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. You're about to see the absolute silliest, most chaotic, and downright funniest dogs on the internet.
Boston, no!
Oh, wow.
Hi.
Hi. That's amazing.
Don't miss the next video of these awesome friends.
Dogs have a special talent for creating chaos and then acting like they just found it.